Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious oat cookies without any added sugar. We'll focus on creating a wholesome, naturally sweet treat that's perfect for any time of day. This simple recipe uses everyday ingredients and requires minimal effort, proving that healthy can also be incredibly tasty. Get ready to bake a batch of these delightful, guilt-free cookies that everyone will love, using only natural sweetness from fruits. For these delightful cookies, you'll need just a few simple, wholesome ingredients. Start with 2 very ripe bananas, mashed thoroughly. They provide all the natural sweetness. You'll also need 1½ cups of old-fashioned rolled oats for that classic chewy texture. 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce adds moisture, while 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon enhance the flavor beautifully. No refined sugar needed here. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your mashed bananas, unsweetened applesauce, and vanilla extract, stirring until well blended. In a separate, larger bowl, whisk together the rolled oats and ground cinnamon. Next, gradually add the wet banana mixture to the dry oat mixture, stirring gently until everything is just combined. The dough will be slightly sticky. Then, drop rounded tablespoons of the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spacing them about 2 inches apart. It's time to bake your delicious, sugar-free oat cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up. Finally, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before enjoying your healthy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.